In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use estimates in QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to refine your process, creating estimates effectively is a crucial step in managing your business finances and communications. So, let's dive in and guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Sales section. You'll find this option conveniently located on the left panel of your QuickBooks Online interface. Once you've clicked on Sales, direct your attention to the Estimates tab. This section is your control center for managing all the estimates you've created in the past, providing an organized view that helps keep track of prospective sales. When you're ready to create a new estimate, you'll spot the Create Estimate button at the top right of the page. Clicking this will take you to a detailed estimate creation form. It's a user-friendly layout designed to streamline the process for you. The first task on this form requires you to select the customer for whom the estimate is intended. This is crucial, as it ensures the estimate reaches the correct recipient and contains the relevant details. If you haven't yet added your customer's details, such as their billing address, now is the time to do so. Entering accurate information here helps in maintaining a professional and seamless transaction process. After that, set the estimate date and expiration date. Specifying these dates is beneficial for both you and your customer, as it clearly defines the duration for which the estimate is valid. Moving on to the Products and Services section, here you can start listing all the products and services that are to be included in this estimate. Ensure that each item is clearly spelled out, which helps in avoiding any confusion later. In the Totals portion of the form, you'll find fields for adding any applicable discounts, as well as selecting the appropriate tax rates. This ensures that your estimate reflects the precise financial details. You also have the option to select a deposit request for the estimate if that's applicable to your transaction terms. At the very bottom, there are spaces dedicated for notes to customers and private memos that only you can see. These areas are perfect for adding any additional information that might be pertinent to the transaction but don't necessarily fit into the standard fields. Once you've diligently entered all necessary details, you'll conclude by clicking Review and Send, or simply save the estimate. Sending it via email directly to the customer is seamless, ensuring they receive it promptly and reducing any delay in moving forward with potential sales. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created an estimate in QuickBooks Online, making your business dealings that much more efficient and effective. Keep practicing this process, and soon enough, you'll become adept at managing your sales paperwork with ease.